If you're a martini lover, you have to try this cocktail. It is a cocktail that uses London dry gin, and then we're mixing that with blood orange and pomegranate juice. It's a really simple but fruit-forward gin martini that you're gonna love. I hope that you'll consider subscribing. I have lots of different cocktail recipes on my channel that you can keep watching. Like I mentioned, there are only 3 ingredients you need, including blood oranges, pomegranates, and London dry gin. First, we're going to freshly squeeze blood orange juice. Since blood oranges are in season usually during the winter months, you can sub with regular orange juice if you're making this during another season. Next, fill a cocktail mixing glass with some ice, and then to that, we're gonna add 3 ounces of London dry gin. Then measure out your freshly squeezed blood orange juice. You'll need 1.5 ounces. Finally, for our last ingredient, we're using 1 ounce of pomegranate juice, and that's literally it. I love cocktails that only require a few ingredients. Stir all of this together using a bar spoon until everything is well chilled, which usually takes about 30 seconds. Then double strain the cocktail using a hawthorn and fine mesh strainer into a chilled martini glass. You can optionally garnish with a slice of blood orange. I love how pretty this drink is and also how delicious it is. For the full recipe along with tips and tricks, don't forget to check the link in the description below.